Hi, welcome. In this video I am explain about the polyline. The difference between line and the polyline is line is a each and individual segment between 2 points. Okay, so here one point and here one point, here one point. This is the normal line. On the same kind I created a polyline. Here one line, here one line, here one line. The difference between these two lines is this is the normal line. The normal line can select each and individual segment separately, but in a polyline it's not possible. It is a common segment, that is a single block. Okay, once you select in any point of a polyline, it select each from starting to ending point. Okay, so there is no possible to change a property of a single segment in a polyline, but in ordinary line we can change a single segment property. Okay, but in polyline it's not possible. But in a polyline it is not possible. Okay, so from start to end point the color of the polyline changed automatically. So this is a difference between normal line and polyline. Now I select a polyline here. It has the first point. I select a first point and second point. I can add a arc in between my line segment, total line segment from start to end point. So I select a arc. For arc I type A and press enter and go for a radius type arc. So radius type arc, in the sense I need to press R and enter. It asks radius, I given 10. Now it asks a endpoint of arc. Okay, so this is the endpoint of arc. Again it asks whether you continue or not. So this is the arc endpoint. Again I go for a line. Okay, so again I go for a line. Now I select the line here, and there are different options also available. The next option is half width. So I press H and press enter, and start half width is 2 and end half width is 4. Okay, so once I select, then automatically the line is changed. Okay, you can identify here the width of the line is 2 and here the width of the line is 4. Okay, again it continues. You can differentiate. Like if you want to switch off the half width, again you need to select a command half width, and half width starting point is 0, again end point also is 0. Okay, so once you select that one, then you go for a next point. So I just drawn roughly. You know what is your drawing. Based on that you can image and draw by using the polyline. Okay, and also you have a width option. For width option, the W is highlighted, so W I typed, and after type the W, press enter, and it asks what is its width. So here I given a width as 5, so ending width also 7. So you can type a second point, that is second point. Okay, so these are the options available. So once you go for a color changing option also. Okay, so but it is not possible because it is a continuous segment. So it is a continuous segment, so you can't change a single segment line. So after completing each and everything, you just press enter, or else you can press right click of your mouse, and after you end up the session, then you press right and enter or cancel, or whatever it may be, both are same. So after completing each and everything, you can change line property, each and everything if you required. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.